But now it's much, much bigger where you can have gigs that cost up to $20,000 a piece. And so it's become much more than just a small dollar or low ticket marketplace for services. Welcome back to Making Money with AI. I'm Dave Espino, and if you want to learn the best ways to make money using AI, then you've come to the right place. I'm inviting you to get your free AI newsletter at the link below. I've been making money online for 25 years, and I'd like to be your coach and help you make money with AI too. Okay, let's get into today's video. Welcome back to Making Money with AI, and today we're going to talk about how you can make $800 a pop generating AI images. I want to show my screen really quick and show you the amazing world of AI images and how easy it is to create some of these AI images. So this is Midjourney, and Midjourney, in my opinion, is the absolute best AI image generation tool that exists right now.
If you want to stay on top of the latest AI news and videos showing you the best ways to make money using AI, you should sign up for Dave's free Making Money with AI newsletter at the link in the description below. And when you sign up for Dave's free newsletter, you'll also receive a free ebook, 40 Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT, as a thank you gift. These are Dave's free gifts, and you're invited to get yours in the link in the description below.
Now, the AI business and the AI industry is moving fast, so you never know when there might be a new AI image generator that'll be even better than Midjourney. But if you look at these images right here, you can see not only a huge variety of images, but you can also see different styles, different looks. You could see some that are animation, some that are watercolor, some that are like old photographs, some that have motion in them. You could see art, you could see designs, you could see book covers, you could see all kinds of images. And every one of these images was created using a single prompt or a description of the images that you are creating. As you can see here, you could create images that don't even exist. You can create combinations of things that don't exist. You could create just an amazing world of images. And this to me is very exciting because for some reason I'm really graphically inclined. I love the idea of creating images. If you have that kind of creative side of you, or if you are an entrepreneur who likes to create things, likes to create new things, likes design, likes imagery, then you're going to love this gig. Look at this image right here, just popping one out of the blue. The prompt is simple cartoon illustration, looks far away, silhouette of man with backpack. Now, this image right here could make for a really great book cover. All you do is add some words, and you've got an amazing book cover, right? But just look at the sheer variety of images that you can see here, all different kind from fantastical images, fantasy images, artwork, scenes, indoor scenes, outdoor scenes. It's just incredible. And it's incredible to think that you could make these images with a single sentence prompt. So that is Midjourney. And Midjourney is an amazing tool. I use it all the time. I use it to create the thumbnails for our YouTube channel. I use it for book covers. I use it for a lot of different things. But basically, all you do here is you just type in a prompt and it goes to town and it creates images for you. It's that simple. So let's go over to how you're going to actually sell these images, and that is by going to Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a freelancing website. It originally started out with gigs that you could offer for $5, things that people would do for you for $5, right? But now it's much, much bigger where you can have gigs that cost up to $20,000 a piece. And so it's become much more than just a small dollar or low ticket marketplace for services. It still is a marketplace for services, but now you can offer services at all different kinds of pricing. So if you were on Fiverr and then you hover over graphics and design, which is the very first one here, you'll see that there is a category for AI artists. Now, by the way, this is not the only category where you can use AI imagery. Probably most of these categories are categories you could use AI imagery in. So just imagine there's this entire world of things that you could do, like children's book illustration. You could do that with Midjourney. Portraits and caricatures, you could do that with Midjourney. Cartoons and comics, yes. Pattern design, yes. Tattoo design, yes. NFT art, all this stuff you could create in Midjourney. And this is just under art and illustration, but game art, yes. Industrial product design, yes. Flyers, brochures, posters, absolutely. All these things, t-shirts, all these things you can create with Midjourney with one prompt, literally one sentence. You could create these things and you could sell them here on Fiverr, which is really amazing, right? So I want to show you some actual gigs that are actually selling well right now and how you can make up to $800 a pop by using Midjourney and selling these images on Fiverr. Let's go over to this one that says, I will create custom AI art using AI tools. Okay, this is under AI artists. Now I chose AI artists because it's a very new category. And look at this, there's only 53 results with a price of $70 and above. So if you want to sell something for over 70 bucks, you don't have much competition, which is great, right? And people are going to be looking under AI artists because they know that's what they want. In fact, they may be looking here before they look for any of these other things as well. So you've got a category that is high demand and low competition, which is a great place for you to start. Let's look at some of these AI artist gigs. So this one is, I will create custom AI art using AI tools. This one goes up to $290 for 3 custom digital designs plus editing, 3 revisions for each. So this would be where you go into Midjourney and you create 3 images. Do you have any idea how easy that is? Do you have any idea how quick it is to create 3 images in Midjourney? It literally just takes minutes to do, okay? Now, they go ahead and say that it's plus editing and 3 revisions if you don't like the initial one, which the revisions are super easy to do as well. You could modify the prompt and just have the revision that they want. So this is a $290 gig. And the thing about it is you can put a gig up on Fiverr, and as soon as you get a sale, you have pre-written instructions that say, give me as long of a description of the item as possible. Give me a really long description of the artwork that you want. Now, the reason you want to ask for a long description is because you're going to take that description that is super, super descriptive, and you're going to use their description to create the image. You don't have to do anything beyond that. You just pop their description into Midjourney. It creates the image for you. And because it was a very long description, very detailed, it'll probably be exactly what they want because they had a long description. Therefore, it was a long prompt and it helped them get exactly what they want. All you're doing is you're being knowledgeable about Midjourney, which is very easy to learn. And then you're popping that in and you're getting the result and you're selling it for $290. All right. Now here's another gig. And this is the one I'm talking about, $798 for a set of images. This is our diamond package and it says multiple images and effects. So this is 4 images, 4 upscaled versions, which is easy to do in Midjourney. Prompt creation, prompt delivery, artwork delivery, image upscaling, image editing. All these things are things you normally do anyway, but they are smart and they listed everything that they're going to get, including they're going to receive the prompt itself, right? So here you've got this, which you can do in a matter of 15, 20 minutes. And in 15 to 20 minutes, you've made $800, right? And as you can see, they've got a feedback score of 44, which means they've sold quite a few of these. Now imagine you do 3 of these in a day. That's $2,400 a day from Fiverr. And all you're doing is copying and pasting their description into Midjourney. It really is that simple. And that's $2,400 a day. That's amazing, right? Here's another one that says, I will create art based on your imagination. AI mixed with Photoshop to get your idea just right. You'll get an HD image that looks rad. This is for one image, $400, one image, prompt creation, artwork delivery, image upscaling, and image editing. 196 sales or reviews and 3 orders in queue right now. So I wanted to share this strategy with you because there's so much money to be made here because people don't want to take the time to learn Midjourney, even though it doesn't take much time at all, that they don't want to get into it. They don't have the time. They'd rather just pay somebody $400 or $800 to get the idea that's in their head onto print or onto an image, right? Let me show you one other idea. This is really cool. And that is I will design stunning and unique book cover with original AI artwork. Now, I've made book covers myself with Midjourney for my own books and for other things, right? And so it's very, very easy to do because all you need is the background image. As you can see here, they've got a background image of a mermaid, right? You take the description of the book cover from your client on Fiverr and you pop it into Midjourney, and now you've got the background, right? Then you put that into Canva where you can add these words and you've got a book cover. It's really that simple, right? And so for a paperback and ebook cover, which is basically two versions of the same cover, they're charging $260. And for a paperback, hardcover, and ebook cover, they're charging $320, which again, same book cover, just slightly different sizing is all it is, right? So 320 bucks for something that'll take you maybe half an hour to do. Okay. And that's another way that you can make money on Fiverr using this amazing tool called Midjourney and all these amazing images that you can make based on the prompt. Your client is going to give you the description of the image. You literally pop it in here and you are off to the races. So that's what I wanted to share with you today is how simple it is to take somebody's description of what they want, put it into Midjourney, and then sell it to them on Fiverr. Super, super easy to do. And by the way, I happen to have a course that goes into detail on that. I'll have a link to that course in the description. It shows you exactly how to set up your Fiverr gigs, how to set up your Fiverr account, and how to create the images in Midjourney. So if you like that idea, be sure to check it out at the link in the description below. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.